grateful to my coordinator, Neeraj ma'am, and my mentor, Mr. A.K. for providing us all this great opportunity to be here in front of you all. Now, I would like to take this moment to introduce myself with my team. My name is Sana, and alongside me are Priyaranjan, Anish, Rohit, Tanvi, Benvi, and Priyaranjan.
I am Priya. I am Anish.
Myself, Tanvi. Before starting our presentation, let's engage you all in a fun ice-breaking activity, which will help us to delve deeper into our topic. So here are the questions presented in front of you for your consideration. So, if 1 equals to 3, 2 equals to 3, 3 equals to 5, 4 equals to 4, and 5 equals to 4. Can anybody guess what 6 equals to? The last second boy, please. Can you please stand up and give us the answer? Anyone wants to give the answer? Please raise your hand. Can anyone? It is an ice-breaking activity. Be attentive. In guessing, sir, please ask them to give the answer. Yes, please. Answer is well tried, but it's not the correct answer. Yes, please. Yes, please. Sorry. Well tried. Yes, please. Well tried, but I think Tanvi will give you the correct answer. Okay. Yes, please. Last second point. Yes, that's the correct answer. Excellent. If you are wrong, every participant in that. Mass, give the answer. So, your next question is coming forward to join you. I have a second question. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. Can you guess what number I am? Do you want to give the answer? Yes, please. Yes, that's the correct answer. Please give the Now, can anyone reveal what's my topic? Now, can anyone reveal my topic? Anybody wants to answer? Yes, please. We taken what? Which field? We taken which field? Now, let's go deeper into our topic. Basically, computation and mathematics focus on the connection between mathematics, computation, and science. This course lasts for a period of 4 years. So, could anyone tell me which field, which stream is required for this career option? Yeah, that's correct. So, now my friend Rohit will tell you about the education qualifications that are necessary.
Education qualification. Anybody can guess what is the education qualification of becoming the becoming in the field of computation and mathematics? Yes, you can. Second row, the boy, third boy. Can anyone? So the minimum criteria of the education qualification in this field is that the student or the The student have to pass from 10 plus 2 with the subjects such as physics, chemistry, and math, and he or she must have the minimum percentage of 75%. He or she must have the subjects such as physics, chemistry, maths, and computer science, which is very required and necessary to qualify in the entrance exam in the institutes such as IITs and others.
Now, Priyaranjan and Himanshi will tell you about the scope of this course.
The skills that you are must required in this phase, that is algorithm thinking. Can anyone tell me what is algorithm thinking? Anyone can try. Yes, you can try. Step by step solving a problem. Yes, it is correct. Now it will come. Now I will explain it. Set a step by step procedure to an analysis different problem. That is, it will help you to solve it. For example, imagine you are a software engineer in a Google company and you are given a math problem to solve it. Solve it. And you have searched in Google, but the server is not working due to the heavy load. As you know, that so many people search it in Google, and that where's your algorithm thinking will work for your problem. And the next one is reasoning ability. You must have the access of the information or the new information that might come in the future that will help you to solve it the problem.
Is an ability to solve a problem. Problem solving is important in every aspect and it's required in many ways. Like you are computation and when you work in a multi-international company, there will be meeting clients and there will be many problems to the setup. So, as my friend told you that reasoning ability is really much necessary in this field. Moving forward, then we will engage you in a reasoning activity based question. So, based on presented alphanumeric series, we have some question for you. So, your first question is, what's the second element from the right of the seventh element from the left? Can anybody answer me? Please participate. If you are sitting here, you have to participate. Can anyone?
Handgun, handgun. Yes, handgun. Answer me.
See? Yes. That's not correct actually. Can you give it the time anyone else? Yes, please. Yes, that's correct. Please give us the time. Your next question is, how many numbers in a series are preceded by a vowel? Can anyone? Yes, please. Yes, that's the correct answer. Please give him a big round of applause. Now, Himanshi and Beverly will tell you about the scope of this course. graduating in computation and mathematics. You have many scopes. You have many scopes in this field. There's like data scientist, data analyst, and many more. Data scientist. A data scientist can work with unorganized data and unstructured data. And it can field like finance, economics, and healthcare. Data analyst. Data analyst will develop, analyze, and report to capabilities. Acquire data from primary or secondary data sources and maintain databases or data systems. Interpret data analysis by using techniques like staticals and provide ongoing results. Work with management, prioritize business and information needs. Now, Rohit will tell you about some great entrepreneurs of the field.
You must learn about the entrepreneurs in your life. Here you can see these are the three entrepreneurs from this field. Here the Steve Ballmer, Sergey Brin, and Ring Einstein. And they are the companies where they work on. The Steve Ballmer work on the he's a former CEO of Microsoft, and Sergey Brin is a co-founder of the Google, and the Ray Einstein was the CEO of Netflix. So all these companies have their own software. These are the two bases of these career fields, as these all require a type of data analysis. As you have seen, however you have searched on Google or Netflix, or you have seen that one time you have searched anything, the other time you are going to type only a single letter of it, you have already got the whole name or related topics according to it. That's because their company already had the data analytics like this, that the researcher can explain it very well, that he or she want this topic or else than other. And the Microsoft, it is a special because it own has their own data analysis. As if you ever worked with Excel or Word or any databases, you have seen Microsoft has already the feature you can sum up or multiply anything easily without using any calculator, because the Microsoft has its own feature that it can calculate your solve problems easily with the help of its computation and mathematics.
Now, you must be wondering about the end exams that are occurred. So, could anyone tell me about any end exam of the field? Anyone, please? Could anyone tell me about any end exam that are occurred in this field? Anyone, please?
Visual खड़ा कर दे।
Yeah, you may please.
IIT.
Yeah, that's correct. So, for further information, my friend Himanshi and Vaibhavi will tell you more. There are many universities that are offering BTech in computation and mathematics, and there are specific exams like J, MITSEC, PIT, and many more. J, Junior Entrance Exam. It is conducted 2 times in a year. Firstly, April ending, May starting. Secondly, December ending, January starting. Duration of exam is 3 hours. And the candidates who have passed their 12th with 75%, they are eligible to give J exam. INSET, Bihar Institute of Technology and Science Test. The duration of the exam is about 3 hours, and there will be 130 questions, and the total minimum marks for this exam is 390 marks. The candidates 10 plus 2 are eligible to give the exam of science stream, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. So, could anyone tell me about how to prepare for these entrance exams? Anyone, please?
हर्ष हर्ष मेरा हर्ष को दो हर्ष कैसे से
Okay, so yeah, you may please.
You have to prepare the 11th and 12th class syllabus of physics, chemistry, and math. And for big side, I think you also have to do English grammar for class 2.
Yeah, well, let my friend Anish will tell you some more points.
Okay, so here are some essential guidelines for passing any kind of entrance exam. First, consistency plays a crucial role for passing any kind of examination, whichever you want. It doesn't matter if it is JE. It doesn't matter if it is JE, NEET, or anything else. It depends on you. Now, second, we should solve previous year question paper according to our need. Third, we should utilize NCRT books for our preparation, and then we should do revision on regular basis so that we don't forget our concepts and our necessary topics. Lastly, I would like to tell you that we should try our best to do fast calculation because it is necessary to do it. Now, if you want to study in this field but you're still not sure which book is best for your preparation, so we would like to suggest you some books so that you can start your preparation. For mathematics, we would like to suggest you NCRT books and Aryan books. And for chemistry, we would like to only suggest you NCRT books. And for physics, we would like to suggest you NCRT and HC Verma book.
Now, Piranjan will tell you about some best institutes available for JEE and advanced also.
Institutes will you get after clearing the JEE mains exam and meeting Amity, Gandodia, Maharaja Surajmal Institute for Technology, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology only for women. In India, JEE advanced exam get admission in best institutes of India that are IIT Delhi, NIT, that are present in Madras, Kurukshetra, Goa, and IIT like Kharagpur, Kanpur, and many others.
So, to conclude the presentation, could anyone tell me where are these two subjects really necessary? Anyone, please? In which field they are used? Anyone, please? Please give it a try. Uh, the question is, in which field these subjects are important or really necessary?
सब्जेक्ट्स कौन सी चीजें वो
Maths is necessary in engineering.
Anyone else? Well, you are correct. So yeah, basically they are necessary in scientific as well as technological fields. Some of the examples are engineering, economics, and finance. These are really essential to solve any integrate problems, and they have a great ability also. So, lastly but not the least, we have prepared some JEE exams previously our question.
So, your first question is, if the expression 7 power x plus 2 root 6 power 2x minus 625 is always positive, then x belongs to
Let's try.
बेटा 5 मिनट में सॉल्व करने हैं ये सारे.
Stop. You have to solve this question.
Brother, would you like to answer it? So everyone is solving, so please take your time. You can answer it. Did you got your answer? No, not right now.
Anyone, please?
Yeah, just solving the question. Brother, you want to answer? Just give it a try, bro. But then, so,
So, the next question is, if A1 be the AN and G1 GN are two GNs between two positive numbers, A and B, then can you solve this question?
Then try. Can you give this another chance to someone else?
anyone else want to try this?
B. Third का B.
I'm asking second question.
They are actually asking for second question. Yeah.
Second का A.
Then try, but it's not correct answer. Yes, give it a big round of applause. That's the correct answer.
So, your third question is, caustic soda is
Yes, you may please start.
Black.
Yes, then you can
So, your last question is, the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scales of temperature will give same reading at
Yes, you may please. Yes, that's the correct answer.
now my friend Himanshi will tell you some important points that you don't have to forget while completing this career.
Your photos determine your reality. Social media time is equal to failure rate. That will flip your talent when talent doesn't work. You should focus on your goal. Try to solve more problems by your own. And the last one is health is important.
Thank you so much for listening to us and being patient.
Thank you.